Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: hair fall. If you're struggling with thinning hair, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore some effective ways to prevent hair fall and naturally boost the volume and density of your hair. Let's get started.
Hair fall can happen due to a variety of reasons. Genetics play a significant role, but hormonal changes, stress, poor nutrition, and even environmental factors like pollution can contribute to hair loss. Medical conditions such as scalp infections or alopecia can also be culprits. Understanding the cause is the first step toward finding the right solution. Nature provides us with some incredible ingredients that can help strengthen your hair and prevent hair fall. Let's take a look at a few of them. Aloe vera, rich in enzymes that promote hair growth. Aloe vera can be a game changer for your hair care routine. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, Amla strengthens hair follicles and encourages growth. Fenugreek seeds. High in protein and nicotinic acid, fenugreek seeds are excellent for nourishing your hair and improving its volume. Henna, not just a natural dye. Henna can thicken your hair strands, giving your hair a fuller look. Now let's talk about some easy do-it-yourself hair packs that you can make at home to prevent hair fall and boost your hair's density. Onion hair mask. Blend 1 onion with a tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash it off. Onion juice is known for its ability to nourish hair follicles and promote hair growth. Amla hair pack. Mix 2 tablespoons of amla powder with 3 tablespoons of water or coconut oil to form a paste. Apply it to your scalp and hair, leave it on for an hour and then rinse it off. Amla strengthens your hair and adds shine. Henna hair. Pack, mix 1 cup of henna powder with 1½ cups of water and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this paste to your hair and scalp, leaving it on for 4 hours before washing it off. Henna not only adds volume, but also gives your hair a natural tint. In addition to these natural remedies, Ayurvedic practices like regular scalp massages with warm oil can significantly improve blood circulation, nourishing the hair roots. Yoga asanas like the headstand, Shirshasana, and camel pose, Ustrasana, are also known to stimulate hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalp. Lastly, a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. Incorporate foods like spinach, nuts, eggs, and berries into your meals to ensure your hair gets the nutrients it needs to stay strong and vibrant. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and remedies. Take care, and here's to healthier, fuller hair. Follow us on our social media channels for daily tips and tricks. See you in the next video.